Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Sunday market breakdown. So guys, as promised that it is an every Sunday thing, yeah. So before I start, guys, with our Sunday market breakdown, for the people who are new in our channel, please subscribe into our channel and know that every Sunday we're uploading a new video to prepare for the week. Yeah. So now I'm gonna start with NAS 100. On NAS 100. Uh, Before that, I want to show you that we couldn't catch this position, guys. Yeah, because of the market approach this order block. I think it was last week. The market approached it with an impulse, like us, and then we don't prefer those type of positions where the market approached our order block impulsively. So now I wanna show you on how you can manage to scale in this one here, guys. So since we changed character here and then here and then now we broke the structure, then now we know. I mean the market now committed that we're going down. So now what can we expect in this position? We're expecting the market to come and mitigate this order block correctively, guys. Yeah, and then we're taking SL positions, and then there's also another order block at the top there. But for now, we're gonna focus on this one. Even though the one at the top it has a liquidity resting below it, also this one has a liquidity resting below it. So we shouldn't neglect this one too. So we're gonna wait and see how the market comes and approach this order block. So I think this order block it would also be accompanied by this Falcon pattern, yeah, because of the market would be printing our third touch. This would be our first touch, second touch, and this one would be our third touch. The market, if it comes correctively forming the inner pattern there or a reversal pattern there, guys, we're not hesitating. We're taking this one. Not always that the market must come to all the order blocks it made before, but for this one, if we're not getting a what adjusted right now, guys, we can avoid it. But this one, it looks like, yeah, it has high probability for to respect our strategy here, guys. Make sure that when you enter this position, you risk very little. Why? Because of this an order block at the top there, that it might also come the market there to mitigate the order block. But it's an always thing, guys. Always make sure that you risk less, guys. Yeah. And then this position, it is 1:9. Yeah. I think if you can manage to kill this one, guys, it's Nasdaq. You all know that Nasdaq pays a lot, guys. In this position only, guys, you can make a lot. Now I'm moving to USD. So on USD, guys, we're having a buy to sell position. First of all, let me open 4 hour. On 4 hour, guys, here, the market, I think it might create what do we call a mass psychology, guys. A lot of people are expecting a market to come and sell when it reaches this high, but I think we would break this high like here. So when we break this high, guys, what are we expecting? We're expecting a third touch at the top here, guys. Now we're not gonna trade when we're not gonna wait all along for the market to come and give us an entry on the third touch here, guys. Let me show you on 1 hour on how I can manage to capitalize on this one. So in this position, we can have a buy to sell position here, guys. We're waiting for the market to break our this trend line at the middle section. Yeah, the middle section, and then it breaks. It gives us a continuation pattern, and then we're entering. So here, another thing, when the market comes to reach our third touch here, guys, make sure that you're not opening a position when it reaches here. Why? Because of the market didn't commit yet that I'm going down. I know the market, it might come like here impulsively, but what can you do to avoid those type of traps here, guys? Wait for the market at least to give you a commitment before entering. Make sure that you sell below this high, the previous high the market made. Make sure that you sell on it here. I think the market might make a continuation pattern somewhere around here. That's when you're gonna enter, and then you know that the market moves with an impulse correction up until we target our 90% rule there, guys. Yeah, my entry would be somewhere here, and then I would also make sure that my stop loss is tight. because in this game, guys, I'm always making sure that I trade defensive, like defend my capital as much as I can. I don't trade offensively. Yeah, guys, our entry would be somewhere here, but the one for buying, as I showed you, we're gonna enter here, then wait for the market to make that third touch there above. Make sure that your stop loss super tight. Yeah, guys, yeah. This is what I see on NAS and US30 so far. And then if you see something different, guys, please comment there and then let's engage, guys. Yeah, we're open to engage with you. This channel, it is there to help you grow and then share our skills. On German dating, sorry for my network, guys, bear with me. So on German dating, we're having a sell position, I guess. The market broke the structure, and then the market is coming to our third touch, and then the market is already giving us those type of reversal patterns already here, guys. We just need to wait for the confirmations, and then we might take this one. We had this one last week too, I think, but the market didn't reach our third touch yet, there, guys. But yeah, that's where we're gonna sell this position here, guys. We can see already that the market is losing momentum here, guys. It's giving us those sell signals already, but wait for the uh, clear confirmations, guys, before you enter this type of positions. Another pair would be it would be Forex pairs, guys. I'm done with indices now, so we're into Forex pairs. The first one would be CADJPY. We had this one, guys, last week. I can see. So with this one last week, if you didn't watch the video on how we analyze this one, guys, go and check it out there, guys. But now I want to show you on how we can scale here for those sell positions before we are waiting for this major buy positions. Let me open 1 hour. On 1 hour, it's clear here, guys. Yeah. So what can we do in this one? We can wait for the market to take out this liquidity here to mitigate our order block, and then we're placing our sell positions there, guys, and then we're going down. Why am I saying the market still need to go down? Because of, like, first of all, here we're in an impulsive phase. Now we are in a corrective phase. It's obvious that the market right now, it needs to go down there. So that's why I'm saying that with this position, we can manage to scale before we get those bigger entry moves. I mean, those bigger buy entry moves we're waiting for. So another thing, let me go back to 4 hour. So on 4 hour, yeah, guys, as I analyzed this one last week, let me just briefly explain what happened. So with this one, guys, we can see that we built the liquidity. The market took out the liquidity there. Now we're approaching. I mean, when the market comes and then approach this order block, guys, I don't think this one it is advisable to trade. Why? Because of we're having an order block below, and then it has a liquidity resting above it. So with this one, with this order block, yeah, guys, we just have to be careful. The market might be trying to trick us in this one. Obviously, the market, when it reaches here, guys, it will give you those type of vibes that the market is reversing right here. But be careful, guys. Make sure that you get this best order block. You trade the best order blocks, guys, not just any order block. The second forex pair would be EURJPY. So on EURJPY, we had this one last week. The market, we're expecting the market to reach our 90% rule of this bigger structure here, guys. But now let's see what's happening. The market right now is building what do we call? It's building what do you call? A structure. Actually, the market is building a structure. Then the structure. Another thing with this structure, guys, we're having an order block above it. That's when we see that the structure. I mean this structure. It might be valid, guys. Yeah, I think here with this thing, we're in the middle section right now. We're not gonna take the buy positions. We're gonna wait for only the sell positions when the market would be coming here for our third touch. Obviously, this would be our second. This would be our first. So what can we do in this one is to be patient enough here, guys, for the market to come and mitigate our order block there. And then first target would be the 90% rule of this small structure. But the overall target, yeah, would be the 90% rule of this bigger structure. If you can manage to hold this position, I'm sure guys you can make a lot here. But for now, let's wait for the market to come and mitigate the order block here. The first target would be here. Uh, another, sorry for that. Another pair would be USD CAD. So on USD CAD, yeah, guys, the market has been moving with those type of series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. But now I think we change character here, guys. Look what's happening. The market here broke the previous low before it went down. Now what the market is doing, it went up and then it also broke this previous low here. So now we're anticipating the market to come mitigate this order block, giving us a clear what we call confirmations, and then we're entering. If we're not getting those clear confirmations here, guys, we don't have to leave this position. We know that we're having another order block here, guys. So on another order block, I think the market on a lower time frame, let me open 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, guys, the market, it might give us a liquidity here. First of all, the market might come and then act as if like it mitigated this order block, continue going up, and then after take out this liquidity here, guys. I mean, this liquidity, I think the market might build something like a liquidity around here to trap those support and resistance traders, guys. Yeah, but since here, guys, we're trading a smart money, make sure that you are aware of such things. Yeah, and then we're gonna take a buy position somewhere here. Or if it doesn't happen, this one, make sure that with this one you get clear indication that the market is going up. Not only order block needs to be traded, guys. We only trade those who have much confluences, guys. Yeah. Now we're on GBPAUD. GBPAUD. I think we had this one last week too, but yeah, we can also open this one, guys. Yeah. Before, yeah, the market did the nice thing. Yeah, we're not there yet. I mean, we're done with that one. Let's focus on what is coming for next week, guys. Yeah. Or even two other blocks. Two other blocks, they have a liquidity resting below them. So now with this one, the market is coming here already in a form of pattern here. So if the market gives us this pattern, we're entering, guys. We left an imbalance here, guys, a huge imbalance. We build the liquidity. Our order block is valid, and then we now would be printing a what do we call a reversal pattern there, and then we're entering. If the market doesn't respect this order block, it violates it. We are also looking for the one above there, but make sure that at least we have those reversal patterns. But not only reversal patterns, guys. The market might also come mitigate this order block impulsively, and then after that it goes down and then it forms a new order block there. That's when we're gonna come and try to enter there. Not always the reversal pattern is the confirmations, but I prefer reversal patterns, guys, because of when I've been backtesting, they've been accurate, those ones. Not 100%, but they were accurate. Yeah, this one is easy, guys. Yeah, make sure that you sell when the market reaches the order block there, guys. Don't just sell because of like you think the market would go down without the reasons. Would sell when the market comes and create those reversal patterns here. Yeah, I think with this one we're done. So another pair would be GBP JPY. GBP JPY. One thing I like about it, we changed character that the market didn't come to the order block at the top there. And then it proves that thing of like not every order block will be traded, or not every order block the market will come and respect it. But now, guys, the market is already the market is on our order block. But I quickly want to show you this imbalance that the market left here, guys. Can see that we already filled it. But since we know that we're not trading an imbalance, we're using it as as a confirmation that our order block would be valid. So what do we have right now? Right now we're having an order block here. If I can take this one to 1 hour, Bear with us, guys, for the network, please. Having a poor connection. So if I would look at this one here, our order block, it's big, guys. So we always target to enter on our 50% of our order block. 50% of our block, it's where, let me try to use this thing for the accuracy. Sorry, for the accuracy. If we take this thing and then put it here, that's where our 50% of our order block is. So now I'm back on 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes, guys, we're having a nice structure here. We're having a nice structure. The 90% rule of the structure is here. We know that when we get any sell position here, guys, the overall target would be this one. So what I'm seeing in this one, I'm seeing the market coming to mitigate this order block it formed recently. Let me open on 15 minutes. I think it's clear. So the market, guys, here it mitigated our first order block, this bigger one. Now, so it left another one. The market built a liquidity right now here. So now we just have to be patient enough for the market to come and mitigate this order block, and then we're entering. I think this position is valid so far, but I want those nice entries before I enter, guys. Yeah, that's when I'm gonna place my sell position somewhere around here. My stop loss would be above. But remember, also having an order block above there, which is not mitigated. Make sure that you apply proper risk management. Our 90% rule would be here. And then another thing with this order block, we're having this pattern within a pattern. The first target would be this one, actually. The second one would be this one. Yeah. So let me check another pair we're having here. I think we have NZDJPY. This would be the last pair, guys. Yeah. And I hope everyone is enjoying our Sunday market breakdown. For those who are not, please comment and then tell us where to improve. So in this one, we changed character and the market broke the structure then. So what is happening with this one, guys? I'm seeing a form of a head and shoulder pattern here. If you can see this thing, this would be the body and then this would be the right shoulder. I'm seeing a head and shoulder pattern here. And then the head and shoulders, they always go 100%. Yeah. Meaning, what do I mean by 100%? Where the market started moving, the market must come and finish where it started. Yeah. So with this one, let me delete this thing. But you already saw, guys, that we are having a head and shoulder then. So on our smaller time frame, we are still in an impulsive move. Yeah. I think here the market went up impulsively, correctively, impulsively. So we're getting a 1, 2, 3 Falcon pattern here, guys. Just need to wait, and then we just need to be patient enough for the market to mitigate this order block. But comes here at least with those reversal patterns, then our entries would be okay here, guys. Yeah, think this one is simple too, guys. I think this week we're gonna kill this market. Yeah, I think we're also gonna do a live video on our Instagram page. Then make sure that you follow us on our Instagram. Uh, Yeah, this one is pretty simple, guys. Yeah, and then our first target here would be on the neckline of this head and shoulder, but the overall target is this one, yeah, guys. Yeah, this one is easy, guys. Yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed our Sunday market breakdown, and I hope for the people who are new in our channel and those who are not new but haven't subscribed, please do subscribe there and then help us to grow this channel. And then lastly, but not least, guys, yeah, on our Instagram channel there, this is where we're gonna post this analysis, guys. Make sure that you go watch the analysis and make sure that they are the similar as yours, since you are trading like, if you wanna, I mean, if you wanna trade like us, yeah, guys. Yeah.